Now, okay, by having done this exercise, choose the best on the books on your books. We are moving towards the meaning in context, which is over here, and I am going to tell you the possible answers of these meaning in context, which you then have to note down in your English literature notebooks. So the very first meaning in context we have is a quick moving. But before starting this, let me tell you one more thing, that in your books, like here, as you are seeing, this is exercise A, meaning in context, part number 1 and part number 2. These both are meaning in context, and you have to solve these in your English literature notebooks. So I'm going to tell you about these. First one is we have quick moving. So the answer to quick moving is fleet. The next we have is people who eat human flesh, they are known as cannibals, as I have taught you, or I have told you earlier. The next is refined, which is civilized. After that we have replacement, which is substitute. The next we have is basis, which has its meaning in context as foundation. Then we have to form into lumps, it means girdles. The next one we have is difficult to dissolve in the stomach, which is indigestible, as these words are indicating their meanings by themselves. The next one we have is bodybuilding substances in foods, and they are known as proteins. Starchy foods are known as carbohydrates. And the last one is silly, foolish. So do not forget the format or pattern onto which we do our work of literature. So what you have to do, just make a title page of this chapter first, which is fallacies about food. Then do write at least 15 words by yourself as your dictation words in your notebooks, literature notebooks. After that, do maintain your page with a full date and day. Your main topic would be fallacies about food, and your subtopic is meaning in context. But do not forget to mention here exercise number 1, so that people may know that which one you are going to write down. So do write exercise number 1, meaning in context. Do write down the words first and then the answers. This is the very first part of meaning in context. After this we have the second part of meaning in context, and for that you have to mention exercise number 2 and then write down the statements, and I'm going to tell you the answers. So you have to write down exercise number 2 because this is your second part of meaning in context. Okay, fine. For this we have the very first one is let me hold my page. Okay, the very first one is fall in love. So it is become fond of something. Become fond of something. After this we have a great many, which is numerous. The next we have very widespread. It means famous everywhere. The next is good brain food, useful for brain. After this, the next we have is not a good idea, a bad thing to do. The next one we have is have to do with, deal with. It means we have to do this, or we have to deal with it. The next one is become general, become common. After this we have as a matter of fact, which means actually. And the last one we have a poisonous combination, a harmful mixture. So these are all about the meaning and context which we have in our book. We have 2 exercises. You do not forget to mention exercise number 1 and their statements, then exercise number 2 and their statements. So you have to do this in your English literature notebook. After this, we are moving towards the question answers of this chapter.